There's much more to come, and there's so many Jamaicans doing other things in different parts of the world. When I flew around the world in 07, I had ackee and saltfish in Dubai. I went to a very nice Jamaican store in Tokyo, Japan. I mean, there's Jamaicans literally all over the world. It's true. I'm just proud to be one of many, and just very grateful for David and his team and the Council General here as well. For really bringing attention to our culture here in Miami. So thank you guys so much. Cheers.